In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Docusign document. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Home tab over here, and where it says Sign or Get Signatures, you want to click on Start. In here, you'll then see you can then upload your files. So you simply want to drag and drop in your document. So here, I just have a random sample document. You can view it by clicking on it over here. And after this, here you have to add recipients. You have to put in their name, their email, and then if they need to sign, in-person signer, receive a copy, or need to view. So you have these four options over here. And you can even add in an access code or a private message. So after you do this, for example, I'm going to put myself over here. You can even add in another recipient in case that's what you need, or remove them in case you don't need them at all. Now here you can also add in a message, which is going to be the email subject, and then the actual message inside the email. After you've done this, click on the next button over here. And this is where you can actually make your Docusign document. So you want to scroll down to the fields where you are, of course, looking for signatures, names, and dates, and stuff like that. And then over here on the left-hand side, you have your standard fields. Simply what you have to do, you simply just have to drag and drop these things onto your document like this. So for example, the name, and then we have the date over here, and then we have the signature, which is going to be the first one at the very top. You can put that over here as well, resize it if you want to, and put it wherever. Okay, so of course you have all these, and in case you need any of these over here, you also have the drop downs, checkboxes, numbers, etc. You can put these in case you need them. And after you've done that, you can simply click on the preview to actually preview how this is going to look. And when you are happy, you can exit the preview, click on the send button over here, and then this way you will send your Docusign document to your recipient. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.